So this is something different. I've shown airbrush materials or guns before. This is the Grex version of the airbrush. So Raymond's going to show us and talk about what's different about theirs, and so you're familiar with using an airbrush.
One of the cool things about our airbrush system here, we call it a micro spray gun. Unlike a larger spray gun that has a lot of overspray, sometimes all you need to do is like a little bit of touch-up work to fix dings or scratches on the job site. So this is the perfect application for that. It's nice, lightweight, small. You can run off a small portal compressor like this, or you can hook it up to your job site compressor. The way it works, it's got a little fan spray there, so it still kind of gives you a little bit of wide pattern for that coverage. The way it works, dual stage trigger, very similar to a spray gun itself. You pull halfway back, there's going to be air. As you continue pulling the second half of the trigger pull, that's when you start getting your color. So again, very precise spray pattern, designed for finish, detail work. For cabinet makers and carpenters alike, it's good for going back onto the job site to do repair work. Makes it easy, no need to cover the entire area, very minimal overspray.
So with this, you could add this disposable cup and get larger. This fits on there too?
Yeah,
you
very
take
good
this
question.
cup off and put this on there?
Precisely, yes.
Gravity feed, disposable cup.
Yep. Yeah, so the set comes with different size cups. This is the smaller one that I showed here. It also includes a larger one. But for those that are already familiar using the disposable cup systems, that is also compatible with the gun. You can unscrew this cup and then this screws in.
Very cool.
Alright, thank you guys.
Thank you.